ideas from unlimited fields. Questioning or pushing forward that observing for optimizing the behavior of others to identify new ways of doing things. Therefore, with different ideas and perspectives, and arranging or constructing and adapting experiences and to see what things that we change.
So from this one statement is klaro siya that is creativity, design, colors, and shape are not just a thing. Kaya di lang siya nga kanang kinahanglan nato like all drawings lang siya, but kung ano, pinaka-important is kanang we will be needing our minds. So magamit nga po na to rin. It's like gaya sa hulingon. So you can show your creativity through through writing stories, no, kanang essay, and so on. Like one pa. So diha na pamaagi is matawag gihapon siya og creativity. So as long as pero ito ka siya kaya mag-make dito siya og sense kanang like na siya sense ba ma-consider ka pala siya na creative. So you could show your creativity in so many ways. So you will be needing passion and of course inspiration, di ba? Like hindi lang na mag-base sa kuan sa nangingana ka mga butang matawag yan pala creative kung kanang mag-apay passion and talaga. So so there are 7 habits of high creative people. So first is number one. Number one, so prepare the ground. Creativity requires an absorbed mind, a relaxed state of focus and attention by giving yourself sufficient time and space needed while learning the desire to create play short of creative expression and inspiration. So there is a preparing ground is you must have a relaxed state of focus and attention for you to have the time and space. So you need to meditate ikaw to get specific vision like what you really ikaw decide sa imong kuan outcome local ikaw sa imong like. So number 2, plant seed for creativity. So it is important to out attention on what do you want to create, not on complaints, and set an intention to produce the desire. So plant seed is kuan. Ang area is so pag humana ni mo makita or ma-feel na tanan gusto niyo buhaton like kuan bitaw kung may buhaton for example mag-create ka o drawings. Ana. So, kuan, you can start planting your seeds. Diba? For example, at planting ng plant seeds. So, you can start planting your dili na kita magpasabot fail na ka is dira lang kita. So dapat ato ang mga failure is muna tong lesson para mas improve pa gyud or mas mapaday pa gyud tanong. So number 6 is replenish your creative stock. You must learn to be self-nourishing and translate hobbies, talents, and skills into wonderful chance. So, you must learn to be self-nourishing and you must learn to translate your hobbies, skills, and talents into wonderful chance. So, you must learn to be self-nourishing. Kaya ikaw, mas inukapan di ka sa pamaagi ka ng, for example, is ma-fail ka. So, dapat ibang kagamitin mo sarili nga, mas mubad ulit ka. So, number 7 is liberate your creativity. Your child may provide the growth for your creativity, potential, and passion. So, liberate your creativity is show your creativity, release and create and make an out. You could be creating your creativity in many forms. Could be in business, arts, design, education, problem solving, and many more. So, di ba? Daghan o pamaagi para makapag-express nyo ang inyong pagkakitaw, ibang pagka-creative. So, I had coordination. So, I had coordination also known as hand-eye coordination is the coordinate control to eye movement and processing of visual input to guide reaching and grasping along with us or proprioception of hand to guide the eyes. So sa dili is, di ba, na-discuss na lang sa Prof. Sir Fidel, di ba? So, what do you mean by proprioception? Proprioception. So, masabot din sa proprioception is the sense of one's body and also its movement. So, for example, ang sense sa imong body is like for example, magpiyong ka, di ba, try ang magpiyong, tapos gunit ko yung ilong. Like for example, nga na, baka ang imo utok is, mo'y maghunahuna, but ang imo kang lawas mo mag-move. Di ba? Kapan na yun? So, eye-hand coordination can be observed in diverse activities such as the movement of objects, o diba, handwriting can be a ball sport, performance, music, reading, computer gaming, like and others. In short, it becomes part of mechanism of performing other tasks without it. Without it, people would be unable to carry out the simple action indirect. So, wala si eye-hand coordination. So, di ba, mura na tayo na robot, hindi na kaluhag, di ba? Hindi na kaluhag sa mga task every day. So, eye-hand coordination, therefore, stability of the vision system to coordinate the information received through the eyes of accomplishment of a given task. It also affects cognitive ability as it unites visual and motor skills, allowing the hand to be guided by the visual stimulation that eyes receive. It is the ability to do activities that requires simultaneous use of the hand and eyes, like an activity that uses the information that eyes perceive, or visual, spatial, or perception to guide the hand and carry out movement. So, hand coordination is muna siya for example, sa bata, di ba? Magdula-dula pa na, di ba, ginagamit yung body, so, created ka po nito yung mind. Tapos yung aton, like, ito, ngayon ito, So when we